cooking channel. Today I'm gonna prepare what I eat in a day video just for you. That way you can see what I eat, so that you can see what I eat today. A full day of eating keto. This is Bill's breakfast. He likes bacon, so I'm gonna cook this in the microwave for 5 minutes. And what I'm gonna do is cover the top of the bacon with a paper towel, and I just press it down. While I'm cooking the bacon, I'm gonna go ahead and start on my turkey sausages for breakfast. And I know this is a breakfast, but some days when we get ready to eat, we sometimes have breakfast for dinner. So whatever we feel like eating, that's what we eat. So today is going to be a breakfast. I'll place some grapeseed oil in a skillet here. And stir the skillet. I'll add my turkey sausage to the pan here. People always ask me what kind they are. I'm not getting paid to say it's Jenny O's turkey sausage, so I always cover my skillet when I'm frying something in oil, so it won't spread all within my countertop and my little leeway stove top. So that's what I do. And plus it makes it quicker. This is the kind of bacon Bill likes. So I usually buy this at Sam's, so if you're interested in what kind of bacon I'm using, this is the bacon I use. These are the sausages. They are ready. Take them out of the pan right now. I added 1 tablespoon of butter in the skillet. This is for the eggs. I'm going to do 4 scrambled eggs for us. I will have 2 and Bill will have 2. And usually I have a snack later on within that 8-hour window of me starting to eat a boiled egg as a snack later on. And every day I have a avocado. And I also will have sometimes a very large salad, but today we are having some kale greens that I prepared earlier this week. So I'll just put the eggs in here. Notice I got a shell in there. Got 2 in there. Alright. Something should tell me I should just break these eggs in another bowl and put them in here, but I don't. Okay. Alright. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my salt and pepper. At this point. I know, Bill, when I have not shown you any before and after pictures since we started the keto diet, but I think he has lost like 30-some pounds or something like that. And to be honest with you, I don't weigh myself, but I know I have lost weight just by looking at the way my clothes fit me now. And one day, I think after a year on this keto diet, I will show you pictures before and after. Add a little more salt. the eggs are done. I'm adding the greens in the skillet here to warm them up. I put these the other day. I might upload the video based on these greens here. I put them with chicken legs. Some of you notice there is a little chicken in the skillet here. And I'll add a little butter to it. Everything is better with butter. Okay. I would like to know, since a lot of you are watching my videos, I would like to know who is on the keto diet. That would be kind of nice to know. But you don't have to be on the keto diet to eat this way. I mean, it is good. You might not want to use as much butter or whatever. But my cooking, I cook this way when I'm not on the keto diet. So it's up to you. This is the bacon after I took it out of the oven. My microwave, it took 5 minutes and 20 seconds, but yours might take less, so, just kind of test it to see how long it would take, or you can just bake it in the oven. Some people don't like the microwave, but I don't see a problem with it. So it's up to you. This is Bill's plate, this keto diet plate here. And this is my plate here. I have an additional egg on my plate, but that's for later tonight to snack within this 8-hour period. We are on the intermittent fasting keto diet. So we will have probably a salad in addition to the greens that we have in right now, but it will not be on the video, I don't think, because we have it much later. Okay. So if you like this video, like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. And have a wonderful day. Thanks so much for watching. Love you guys.